Hey, what's up? This is stoiczfpv, and today we're looking at the DIATONE ROMA L5 frame kit. It's a pretty good frame because it offers a lot of motor protection, as you can see, as well as camera protection right here. I did need to use spacers for the camera because it's meant for a DJI camera. I'm using the JHEMCU AIO 25 amp. I'm using also the XING 2005 1900 kV, so there's 6S, and I'm using a AKK 600 milliamp hour VTX. Oh yeah, and also the CADDX RATEL in black. I'm also using these PYRO drone race wires. They're purple. Overall, the build was very simple. Using the AIO board, there is easy placement for it. You can, once you set up your screws, you can unscrew using these holes. There's also a 20 by 20 stack on the back to mount a VTX. I ended up mounting my TBS crossrod right here. I felt this placement was better than using the extra TPU. As you can see, I'm not using any TPUs because I want to make it as light as possible, but I am using the mount here because I am going to be filming with this rig. Here I'm just using a generic antenna just for right now. I'm going to be testing it for now. Yeah, I feel like this is a really clean frame, really clean build, very light. A lot of protection for your camera and the motors. So let's check out a flight.
rich.
DIATONE ALR5. It's pretty good.
Oh, shit, fucking rip.